Hi everyone! In this quick Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer a stamp or seal from one document to another. This can be useful for legitimate design, restoration, or mock-up projects where you have permission to use the document and seal. Let's get started. First, open both the original document containing the stamp or seal and the document you want to add it to in Photoshop. Use a selection tool, such as the Object Selection tool or Lasso tool, to carefully select the stamp or seal. Copy the selected area, then switch to the other document and paste it onto a new layer. Use Ctrl+T to resize, rotate, and position the stamp so it fits naturally in the desired area. If needed, adjust the blending mode, opacity, or levels to help it match the appearance of the document. Finally, check the edges and make any small adjustments needed to blend it with the design. And that's how to transfer a stamp or seal between documents in Photoshop for authorized projects. Always make sure you have permission to reproduce or use official stamps and seals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tutorials.